Hello, everybody, and welcome. Waylon Chavez here. I want to take a quick second to introduce you to the new concept I'm using and want to reach out to more people this year, want to provide more value and be that resource. After running a real estate company going on 15 years now, May will be 15 years. So, just thinking of new ways to reach out, provide more value, be that resource for you. So what I came up with was I'm going to do a weekly real estate update and it's going to be called Real Estate Cafe with Waylon Chavez. We're going to sit, we're going to have a cup of coffee, and I'm going to chat. I'm going to give you an update and provide value. So it's going to be the Real Estate Cafe is going to be your weekly real estate and community update from ABQ Premiere Properties, specifically myself, Waylon Chavez. To give you a little bit of history on me, I started back in real estate in 2006, started my own company in 2008, which is ABQ Premiere Properties. Been going strong since then. Super excited to take this new venture and to be the resource, and super excited because we have these avenues such as Facebook, such as, where we could stream, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, where we can stream and reach so many people, and it's very cost effective. So my goal is to reach you, give you weekly updates, answer your questions, educate you, and be that resource for you in real estate. You may not need to buy or sell or invest now, but my goal is to be that resource, educate you, so when you are ready, you have a clear path and you can call us directly, because as ABQ Premier Properties is Albuquerque's full service real estate brokerage. And what that means is we serve sellers, buyers, and investors. We don't only want you to buy or sell a house with us, we want to help you build that financial wealth and build that financial plan for retirement. Because as we know, real estate is one of the best investments you can buy over the long term to build wealth. So that's what I'm here for. That's why, I came up with this weekly idea. It's going to be free, and we're going to, as we're growing our company, we're bringing on some new people, so it gives me a better way to reach out more. Instead of doing the day-to-day operations, I still have my own business. I still, list and sell and help buyers, sellers, and investors, which I love. But we're bringing in, admins, we're bringing in transaction coordinators, we're bringing in new realtors to help serve you and to serve the Albuquerque area. And we're a local small business, just like any other small business out there. And what does that mean for you in real estate? Well, as far as real estate goes, being a local company based here in Albuquerque, that means when you use us for your real estate needs, whether to buy, sell, or invest, your money stays here. The commissions that we earn and everything that we earn goes right back into our local economy to help build it. It doesn't go to some franchise out of state that you're paying a franchise fee to out of state. You get personal one-on-one service, you get the knowledge of the area, of people being from here. So there is a huge benefit of working with local independent real estate companies. Like I've said, I'm going on my 15th year now. I'm super excited, and this is just another avenue and a way for me to reach people and be that source and that source of education and the resource, not only for real estate but for the community. If you guys are on Facebook and you're not in the group and you're here in Albuquerque, go join our local group, which is called ABQ Westside Living. And there we have a community. I want to build a community there for all things, here on the West Side or in Albuquerque, just in general. It's just a way for us to interact. It's a way for me to share stuff there. And no, it's not all about real estate. We support our other local businesses here. We support each other. And it's just a place for us to connect. So that being said, let's dive into today's episode, number 1 of Real Estate Cafe with Waylon Chavez. And what I want to go over today is the third quarter sales from Albuquerque and surrounding areas. I'll do Albuquerque and Rancho, but to give you a look back of what happened in 2020, from November 2020 or October 2020 to October of 2019, and see the difference, see how strong our market is. I'm sure a lot of you have heard the market is super strong, and I just spoke with my lender this morning, which is Luke Gutierrez. I hope you're doing well. And that being said, he says rates are as low as 2.9%. You can't get any better than that. So if you've been thinking about maybe investing, buying your first home, whatever it may be, reach out to us. Give us a call directly. We can educate you. We can see if the situation is right for you. Put you in touch with Luke, and get you on that path to earning equity. And I'm going to share another stat with you to show you just what's really going on in Albuquerque and the benefits of doing it, because it's a forced savings, if you will. When you buy a home, your mortgage balance goes down, but your equity goes up over time. Remember that it's over time. You're always going to need a place to live, so why not have a place of your own? So let's get into the details today and into the update of the quarterly update. So what I did is I went to my MLS, I pulled some numbers and I averaged them out. And what I did is for the last quarter of 2020, so on closed sales on detached homes, which means it's a home that sits by itself, it's not a townhome or it has a wall in between. For detached homes, there were 3,977 homes that closed in the last quarter of 2020. Compare that to 1 year ago, 3,518 homes sold at the same time. So that's a 13% increase just year over year. And with what happened in 2020 with the pandemic, that's huge numbers. The real estate market didn't stop. It didn't take a break. It kept going full steam ahead. We adjusted the way we talked to and met with our customers and clients. We took the safety precautions, but as you can see, it's up 13% over 2019, and that's huge. And as far as the average sales price year over year in Albuquerque, well, this is for all. So the average sales price on detached homes is $294,251. Compare that to 1 year ago. The detached price, average sales price was $261,219, which is an increase of 12.65%. And in numbers, I did the numbers. If you average it out, that's about $33,000 that homeowners gained in equity over this last year here in Albuquerque. So I say this to show you it's a forced savings over time. On average, according to the National Association of Realtors now, people are staying in their homes anywhere from 7 to 10 years. A few years ago, it was 5 to 7 years. So people are staying longer, which is good because that means you get more equity out of your home and you have more of that to play with when you move and you move up to your dream home, or if you have to relocate, if you have to downsize, whatever that may be. It's a forced savings account that you pay for on a monthly basis. But now with like Luke said, the interest rates are at 2.9%. You can't beat that. And that's locked in for 30 years. It's not an adjustable rate mortgage. So think about that. And as far as an attached home, which is like a townhome or a condo, the average sales price this year was $190,654. Over 1 year ago, it was $174,434, which is an increase of 9.3%. In dollars, it's about $16,000. So, with the pandemic that happened last year, everybody thinks that the real estate market's going down. That's truly not the case. We're moving full steam ahead. Interest rates are great. Like I said, and qualifying is not that hard. A lot of people think they can't qualify because they don't have credit. But what the thing is if you don't have credit, that's fine, as long as you don't have bad credit. If you can't get approved today, we will work with you up until you can get approved. So that way you can start reaping these benefits of equity and the forced savings. And not to mention, when you buy a home, you have a lot more tax deductions, such as property taxes, your homeowner's insurance, and stuff like that. And what we're going to do is we go on with the Real Estate Cafe is I'm going to bring on lenders, I'm going to bring on title people, I'm going to bring on home inspectors. That way you can be informed of the process of what goes on and what they look for. That way you can be an educated and an informed buyer or seller. That way it makes the process easier for you. You feel more comfortable, and hopefully you will give us a call here at ABQ Premiere Properties to help you and walk you through that process. So I'm going to give you some numbers for Albuquerque now for between 2019 and 2020, and this is just specifically for Albuquerque, which is the biggest metro area in New Mexico. So in 2019, 2,387 homes sold, compared to 2020, 2,688 homes sold, which is an increase of 12.61%. Again, this is all with the pandemic and COVID and all the restrictions and everything going on. The real estate market has not stopped. It's going full speed ahead. And it's even better because, like I said, about the interest rate. So things are good. If you would have any questions, I would encourage you to give us a call. Here at ABQ Premiere Properties, you can go to my Facebook. You can go to our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/ABQ Premiere Properties. Let me go here to the comments and see if we have anything. Okay. And you can also reach out to us directly at 505-712-1340. But Rio Rancho, I'm going to give you an update on that also. So let me see. For detached homes, in 2019, there were 640 that sold in the third quarter. Compared to 2020, there were 694, which is an 8.44% increase in Rio Rancho. So as you can see, everything is going great. We are moving full steam ahead, and the real estate market is strong. It's and as a local realtor, like I said, in 15 years, I want to be here and be your resource. So give us a call. Go to facebook.com/ABQ Premiere Properties. Like our page so you can stay informed. We're going to turn this into a podcast. Also, you can listen on Apple Podcasts or wherever you listen to your podcast. But it's going to be a weekly episodic show that we can on real estate and community updates to let you know. And I wanted just to jump on real quick today, do episode 1, give you a little bit of an update of what's going on in Albuquerque and New Mexico as far as the real estate market and how strong it is. And to let you know, we're going to be here once a week. We're probably going to do Fridays, Thursdays or Fridays right before the weekend, before people start heading out to go look at homes or be interested in that. That being said, in the comments, if you look in the comments, what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a couple of links for you. One of them is going to be for new homes in Albuquerque. You can click that link so you don't have to drive all around the city looking for new homes. You can go straight to that app. You can look at the new homes. You can sign up. You can let me know. I can give you some more information, and then we can go out there together. The second one is going to be to our MLS search site, which is HomeSnap. Kind of like Zillow, but more localized here in Albuquerque. You can take a look at that for resale homes. So like I said, I'm here to be your resource. I have a team of professionals that have been in the business for many, many years that I'm going to be bringing on, introducing to you, and providing that resource for you. So I want you to think of this place as your one place to go for education and all things real estate, to be educated and informed and about the community also. Because as your realtor, as your local expert real estate company, our goal is to be that resource. We want to be the top of mind for real estate, yes, of course, but also for reaching out and being that community person and informing you about what's going on here, what's going on there, what restaurants being built here, what the city council is doing, whatever it may be, just being that resource for you and what events are going on. So I'm going to pop those links in the comments now, and you can take a look. And the first one's going to be for the new homes. And you can take that one and you can look at those for new homes. And then I'm going to post second one is going to be for the resale homes. So take a look at those, and we will be here all weekend for any questions. You can reach us directly via Facebook. You can send us a message, or you can contact me directly at 505-712-1340. And again, this is episode 1 of Real Estate Cafe with Waylon Chavez, and it's going to be a weekly episodic show to educate and inform you on the local real estate process, what's going on, the local real estate market, and be your community resource. So thank you so much for joining. Again, if you found value in this, please share it. Please invite others to join. Go like our Facebook page. And if you're here on the West Side or in Albuquerque, go join our Facebook group, ABQ Westside Living. Thank you all so much. The links are in the comments. And thank you so much for joining, and we will see you next time.